MrTechyPixel.
Hey guys, it's MrTechyPixel here on YouTube, and I'm here. Yay, I'm here. The first thing I'd like to do is thank all of you guys for the support I got on my video yesterday. I got something like 250 views in 19 hours and like 100 views in about 40 minutes, and to be honest, I think that's absolutely incredible. Thank you, all of you guys who've watched that video, and even like those who didn't respond to the video, right? I'm just lost for words. Thank you very much, to be honest. But yeah, today we're starting our VB tutorials. Now, first of all, I got an introduction into the series, and then I'm going to jump over to the computer and I'm going to show you how to install VB 2010 Express, okay? And then we're going to start our tutorials in the next episode, so we're actually going to start learning in the next episode, but I suggest you watch this. So, start off the series, I'm going to walk you through the IDE, or the development environment. So I'm going to show you what all the buttons do, and show you like what everything in the tool strip does, and all that kind of stuff. And then we're going to go start developing apps, and I'm going to explain stuff as I go. So I'm going to, when I do variables, I'll explain what a variable is, what you can do with it, and then we'll start making some applications. So if you want a Windows application made, don't say game, just try and keep it to an application at the start. If you put a game, I'll probably end up doing it at the end, but if you leave a comment in the comment section below the video, which is down there, I will get around to making it, and I'll make you the app. I'll put the download link in the description, and you can go download it and use it, or you can you can code it yourself, copy my code out of the video, and you can write it out and do some more development on it. So yeah, we're going to jump over into the computer now. We've got an introduction to the series, and yeah, see you in the computer. So I'm back, and I'm going to show you how you can install Visual Basic 2010 Express. Now, I will leave this link in the description box below, or you can go to microsoft.com/express/downloads, and it should take you to this page. And then you're going to go down to the Visual Studio 2010 Express section. You're going to click Visual Basic 2010 Express. Make sure download language set to English. Obviously, if your language isn't English, then you're going to want to change that. And then you're going to click install now, and I don't care. So then you're going to want to run the file. If you haven't got to run, just save it and then run it. And then, as you can see, it wants me to do a security warning, and now I can close the internet. And my Norton's in the corner is now analyzing that file, which is vb_web.exe. Now that's going to be analyzed, and then my computer will run the file. Now this will take a while to install, guys, but then after it is finished installing, I will show you guys, as you can see, it's just doing its little load-in bit. But I'll show you guys how to register the edition. So yeah, so we're just waiting for setup to load and installation components. Obviously it needs to load, otherwise we're going to die. That shouldn't take too long, but once it's started installing, I might stop the video. Just going to show you what options you're going to want to take to start setting this up. Now, Visual Studio 2010 Express and all the rest of the Express editions of Microsoft's the coding products are free. However, you do have to register after 30 days, or you can register before 30 days, which is what I'm going to tell you to do. Oh yeah, now we're here. So we're going to I suggest unticking this tick box that says yes, send information about my setup experiences to Microsoft, because I don't want Microsoft to know everything I'm doing, but you can leave that. and then you have to press I have read and accept the license terms, but I'm not going to read them. They're probably a great read, but I don't want to read them right now. So press next, and then it'll say following items will be downloaded and installed: Microsoft Visual Basic 2010 Express, and you just click install. Yours might have some more items listed in that list. That is because VB requires a few other files to run, like .NET Framework, for example. It requires and all that stuff. Now, because I've had Visual Basic installed in the past, I already have those things, so all mine needs to do is install actual Visual Basic 2010 Express. Yours may need to download .NET Framework, MySQL even. There's a great range of stuff that Microsoft could need to download to your computer. The other thing your computer might do is your computer might say it needs to restart and the installation will continue. All you need to do is click restart now. Your computer will restart, and after it boots back up, it'll come back up with the installation wizard, and you can just carry on. It'll just carry on its own. Now, I don't know how long this is going to take my computer to install it. It's already downloaded because I have a relatively fast internet connection. Although I do have a lot of background processes open at the moment. This shouldn't take too long, I would hope, but I don't think I'm going to pause the video. And then when I get into Visual Basic, I will show you how to register it and the questions that they ask you. Now, once you've answered the questions once, when you click on the register link, it'll ask you to sign in with a Microsoft account. A Microsoft account is any Hotmail, Xbox Live, any kind of account that's used on Microsoft services, such as Xbox Live, Hotmail, Xbox Music, Windows 8 I think does Microsoft account. So anything that you can use they used to be called Windows Live IDs, so if you've got a Windows Live ID, that should work as well. So you're going to type in that and press sign in, and it's going to go to a page with loads of questions. Once you've answered the questions once, any other Express editions of products you wish to download, the items will already be filled in the survey / questionnaire / whatever you want to call it. So that is quite nice. Now mine are already filled in. I've had loads of Express products in the past, and it asks you what you're interested in, and things like that, and why you want to use it, and then it'll give you a product key, and you'll just paste that in, and then it will become activated, and you won't need to register it anymore. So I'm going to pause the video here, and I'll be back when it's finished installing. Okay, so I'm back, and as you can see, Microsoft Visual Basic 2010 Express has been installed successfully. It's telling me to visit Microsoft Update to download the latest Surface packs and security updates, but I won't do that right now. All you need to do is go to Start, Control Panel, then you're going to go System Security, Windows Update, and you're going to click Check for Updates at the side if this ever loads. It'll say, oh, mine already, that's Zoom. We don't want Zoom. But you're going to want to click check for updates at the side, and it'll check for updates. It'll find you some updates probably. I think it'll find Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 Service Pack 1, and you can download and install that. I'll do that after the video, but I'll show you you don't need to re-register it if you register it before you do that. So we're going to type in, what am I going to type in? Visual Basic 2010. Now, it's got the old, why has it got the old logo? I don't know, but let's just do that, and it'll say, oh, only some of the Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 products in this computer have been upgraded to System Pack 1. None will work correctly until all have been upgraded. To upgrade, close all Visual Studio products and then install Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 Service Pack 1, which you can download here. If setup starts in maintenance mode, select repair. So mine is killed, and that's because I have Visual Web Developer 2010 Express, and I have Service Pack 1 on there, but not Service Pack 1 on Visual Basic. Yours should work without Service Pack or with Service Pack. Now, I have explained how to register it, but you should be able to register it. Now I'm going to have to, download and install Service Pack 1. So if you get that message because you have got another thing, just click the link that it gives you, and you're going to want to run that file as well, and you can close out the internet then, and hopefully this should fix my Visual Studio 2010 for me. But I think I'm going to end the video here. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to give it a like and add it to favourites. Also, if you really did enjoy it and you want to see more of these videos, more videos like this, you can click subscribe and my videos will appear on your homepage. That's about it. If you did enjoy it and you know a friend who wants to start learning Visual Basic, why don't you send them the link? And I guess I'll see you again soon. Thank you guys again for the support on yesterday's video, and I will see you again very, very soon when I'm not loading Visual Studio and I'm actually making some helpful videos. So I'll see all of you then. Goodbye.